Broker IPTV.
Today we're talking with Mark Eibner from Metro Brokers Realty Oasis, and we're talking about affiliated business relationships and so forth. How are you?
Great, man.
Now, of course, you're the owner of Meridian Escrow and Title, and talk a little bit about how that all came about.
Well, I'm one of many owners over at Meridian Title and Escrow. I think this was probably 7 years ago we first started Meridian Title and Escrow. And initially the company was owned as the top fundamental partners only with no broker ownership. And just a couple years ago we opened it up to get more broker participation within our own organization and brokers participating from outside real estate companies as well as mortgage brokers too.
And how's that gone? How's that developed? I mean, initially were some other realtors kind of reticent to join?
Well, I think it depends on the mindset you come from. What I'm seeing is the economy is really making things happen. The AFBAs are really growing because they're analyzing everything. Commissions are down, transactions are down. But what I've seen is most of the brokers are more concerned about, they're being pushed to this by their clients because clients are becoming more aware that there are big differences in title insurance costs.
Well, you mentioned the economy. What we're starting to see is contraction, obviously. There are not as many title companies in business that used to be. They've laid off staff, whatever it may be. Is that a problem with Meridian Title and Escrow, and how have you been able to kind of survive these times?
Well, I think that's the magic of an affiliated business arrangement, is the fact that the overhead is so much lower. The bricks and mortar part just isn't there. There's no lower, middle, and upper layer management. You don't have sales reps. I mean, it's just the personnel and human power alone. The difference between, say, an ABA and a traditional title company is huge in what it costs. We also do a lot of on-site closings, at office closings, at people's homes closings. So the ability to maintain 20, 30, 40 locations and pay leases, it's just not there. We can hire staff up and staff down in a day.
Yeah. I did the at-home closing, by the way, and I liked it a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, incredibly convenient.
Yeah,
Came to my house, signed the papers, they left, it was done.
It's very nice.
All over. Profits. So obviously it's more profitable because obviously you've got people bringing clients and business in. You don't have an outside sales rep. Talk a little bit about how the profits are going.
Well, we've been profitable from day one. In fact, it's one of the few ventures that has been in the black for 7 years. So the ability to remain profitable also has another little caveat in the fact that when we broke down our rate structure and where we get our premiums from, over 80% of our premium dollars is from reissue rate. So literally, we're profitable even though we're doing title insurance premiums at 50% rates over, say, the traditional company. So we're still profitable even doing half rates. That's what we find amazing.
Finally, if a realtor wanted to become involved in Meridian Title and Escrow, how would they do that?
I think the easiest thing to do is just go to the website, meridiante.com, just like Meridian Title and Escrow. And there's an email contact us form on there. Just fill it out, or there's some phone numbers. You can call myself or John Kleichman, who's our attorney partner. And we'd be glad to talk to you and see if you qualify and if you want to become part of our organization.
Mark, thanks. Great information. Appreciate it.
You bet. Thanks, Dan.
Find more real estate videos at brokeriptv.com.